Mullen Automotive has received an order from logistics company Cashflow on Wheels for 20 Mullen 3 Class 3 electric vehicles with a total value of around $1.4 million. The deal will see the first 20 vehicles delivered to Cashflow on Wheels in May for use on FedEx routes in Texas and Georgia. Cashflow on Wheels is known for transitioning traditional fleets to advanced EV solutions and reducing the total cost of operations. This comes after Bollinger Motors, a subsidiary of Mullen, delivered the first order of their 2025 Bollinger B4 electric trucks to EnviroCharge for conversion into a mobile charging unit. This partnership aims to expand EV charging infrastructure, with EnviroCharge planning to upfit the B4 trucks with custom Level 3 charging units. The first truck will be followed by more deployments in California as mobile charging solutions for electric vehicles. EnviroCharge, a partner company, is excited about integrating these trucks into their fleet due to their performance, versatility, and sustainability. Bollinger's all-electric Class 4 commercial truck has already begun deliveries to customers since October 2024. The company qualifies for federal and state incentive programs, such as the Inflation Reduction Act, California's ISEF pilot program, Massachusetts' MOR EV program, New York's NYTVIP, and Pennsylvania's AFEG program. Mullen also recently made a sale of its all-electric Mullen 1 Class 1 cargo van to Global Expert Shipping as part of a series of orders, which will be fulfilled through Pritchard Automotive. The addition of Mullen's commercial EVs is expected to help Global Expert lower its carbon footprint and meet transportation needs while offering significant total cost of ownership savings. Global Expert is a licensed freight forwarding company based in California. It focuses on shipping solutions between the U.S. and Armenia as well as worldwide destinations. By incorporating the Mullen 1 van, the firm aims to reduce its carbon footprint while meeting operational needs. For more on Mullen and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.